Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about IDE. So first of all, what is IDE? So the name Integrated Development Environment. Sir, what is that? Whenever we are installing any programming software, C language, C++, Python, Java, no matter, any programming software if you install, right? So where we are writing the programs, every software providing, right, another software called IDE. For example, simple example, generally suppose if you are having one video file, if you have, right, video file is a with MP4 format. I just want to play the video. If you are using Windows operating system, we have the Windows media player, right? Yes, you can play this video using Windows media player. Windows media player, is it the only option to play the video? No, so many third party softwares we can download. For example, VLC player, or for example is a all-in-one player, for example is a MX player, right? We can download different types of other softwares to run your program. This is the video you want to play. In the same way, suppose if you have written one C program, I just want to write the C program and I want to run the C program. Along with the C software, Turbo C, suppose if you have installed, you will get one IDE is called Blue Screen IDE you will get. So what is the advantage of this IDE? Here only editor will come, editor. Here you can write the program, the code you will write here. After that, suppose if you want to save, here options are there. For Blue Screen, F2 is for saving. If you want to compile the code, right, for example here Alt plus F9 shortcut is there. If you want to run the program, Control plus F9 shortcut is there. So this is, right, this is the IDE is coming along with the Turbo C. Sir, I am not using Turbo C, I am using some other. For example, C free, one software is there. Consider so many softwares, right? Hundreds of C programming applications, C softwares are available in the market to develop your C program. Dev C is there, right? Turbo C++ is there. By using all these, you can write. For example, here C free is there. C free is also showing one window. Here editor is there. After writing that program, if you want to save, Control S is the shortcut. Here for saving, F2 is the shortcut. Here Control S is for saving the shortcut. If you want to compile and run, directly F11 is there. It will automatically compile and run. If you want to see that output is a F5 option is there. From application to application, software to software, shortcuts will change. Same like, right, from Windows media player to VLC player, the shortcuts will change. For pass, different shortcuts. For play, different shortcuts. Right, for zooming, different shortcuts. In the same way, but the file is the same. Here the program is the same. Whatever the software you use, no matter, we are writing the same code program. The code will not change. IDE is one software. By using the software, you can easily write the program, compile the program and run the program. How many IDEs are there? Unlimited IDEs. So many IDEs are available in the market to develop and run the C applications. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.